Kia ora, my name is Dena and I was born in Christchurch, named Dena Aroha Hale. I live with my two lovely children. Hene is my eldest, Hene Whakarata Hale, she's 16, and my son who's 12, Eric Waikura Hale, and we live in Ahuriri, so Napier's been our home since the children were born. Did I have it in me to actually be an artist? You know, I always thought maybe I did, but I really didn't want to get to the end of my life and go, gee, I wish. When I started at the Wānanga, it was about working out if I thought I could be an artist. It was about discovering some more of my taha Māori and finding some peace, I think.
With Dena, it's more about what her potential is. She was, exploring her ability. She also had this strong sense of sculptural forms. She's really successful.
I have to do a solo exhibition. How on earth am I going to do that? Most people who have a solo exhibition have a couple of years to put together enough work. I had 7 months. Thankfully I did, with lots and lots of tautoko from my tutors, from my classmates, from my family. I had my solo exhibition in August. I have to say it was good.
Dena, Hale. Te whānau apanui Ngāti Kahungunu.
I probably wouldn't have got through it without these four.
No, 2 at first.
Well, the 2 smaller ones for sure, and then Mum and Dad supported me the whole way through, so very lucky me.